Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can change the theme and background in Google Sites. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, go to sites.google.com and log in to your Google account. Once you're in the screen on the main dashboard, select a project that you've been working on, or you can even start a new site, or some sites that are shown right here. I'm going to work on this site, as you can see. Now, first things first, let's change the background. How can we do that? As you can see, this would be our main cover. Click on header type, and then you can choose from either it being a cover, a large banner, or a title. I'm going to use a cover for this video. And then, click on back. And to change the background, select this image, and from the drop-down menu, we can select an existing image provided by Google, or we can upload a personal image that we have on our Google Drive. Let's select one, and then this would be the libraries that we can use, either from Google Drive, Photos, Google Images, by URL, or from the gallery itself. Let's choose this, for example, and then click Insert. As you can see, our background is now changed. Now, how can we change the theme? Go to the right corner and click on Theme. After that, you can create a custom one, or you can choose one of the pre-made by Google Sites. Let's use this, for example. After clicking on it, as you can see, there is an immediate change on the buttons and on your header. And you can even choose a font style or even pick a color that you want. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!